Hi friends, long time no see. I'm here just documenting how things have been for me over the past couple of weeks. It's been a very incredible time. The past 1 month thereabout has been so intense. This has been one of the most major changes I've ever made in my entire life. The last time I made this type of big move was when I moved from Lagos to Port Harcourt. After getting married, I followed a man to a whole nother state back then in Nigeria, and here I am again following a man again across the world to a whole new country. Guys, it's been so intense. However, at the moment we are yet to find our own permanent accommodation. For the time being, I'm currently in an Airbnb in the northeast area of Calgary, and Calgary is really beautiful. I've not been to a lot of countries, so this has to be one of the most beautiful cities I've ever been to. No, actually, number one on my list till date is still Dubai, and this has to be second on the list. Even though the weather has been something, I'm not here to complain. I love it. I was expecting it. I was informed about how the weather is set up, but yeah, I love the experience so far. Today, I was supposed to, let me put you guys down because my arm is paining me actually. Okay. So today I was supposed to go out to open a bank account, but I got a call from a friend and she gave me a whole nother advice. So the way I am is I like to listen to people that have gone ahead of me, right? I don't like to do baby scout when it comes to things that I've never done on my own. So I basically had to cancel that appointment and basically follow the advice that she gave me. So right now, I don't know. I don't have any plan for the day. I made these braids in Lagos while I was, when I left Port Harcourt to Lagos. I have this braider. Shout out to Sister Tina. She was the one that hooked me up real good. And then I went to the store, I think 2 days ago, and some, people that look like me saw me, and she walks up to me. So let me just tell the story. A day before that day, which was like 3 days ago, I think it was Monday. Monday was a public holiday out here in Calgary. I think someone was saying that particular holiday, the something day of Truth and Reconciliation public holiday. Those that are here know what I'm talking about. The lady saw me at the store and she was looking at me weird, and I was telling my husband, like, babe, is there something on my face? Like, why are these people looking at me? But it was like, oh no, maybe they're just looking at you, right? So the following day, I went to the store alone without my husband this time. And then she walks up to me. So I was thinking, this lady again, like, what's the deal? And she's like, hi, where'd you get your hair done? That looks so nice. That was your braider. I'm like, oh, I made it in Nigeria. And she's like, oh yeah, I just knew it. It looks so good. And basically the point of that whole story is that the braids has been getting compliments here. Yeah, it's been a fantastic time. I can't even lie, guys. I've been very anxious. Like, I've been so anxious about just how things work in this particular country. I've never lived outside of Nigeria ever. I've visited a couple of countries, but living in a space for a significant period of time away from Nigeria, I've never done it. So occasionally I get, anxious and just worried about what the future holds. But one thing I basically ground myself in is the fact that God can never mismanage my life. The fact that I'm in this country, in this city, at this moment, God orchestrated it, is because God wants me to be here at this point in time. So that's what I always remind myself of every time I get nervous. Our Airbnb host has been fantastic. I don't know, because of the way the internet is set up, I would have loved to plug his space on the internet, but I'm just not going to do that. Like I said earlier, we're in the Northeast at the moment, and he has been so supportive. His name is Alpha. He's been so supportive, just giving us advice. Go here to shop, buy this from there, prepare for the winter, because we got here in the fall, and winter is coming basically, so he just gave us advice on where to get like really nice winter outfits. Even though we came with one, we bought some packers from Edibawa back in Nigeria, and we had a family member bring it for us from the US. So that's what we are going to be using for starters. But he just told us to have like backup, just so we can be switching between our cold weather outfits. I think my video is a bit too exposed, so let me reduce it a little. This space is so cute, like, I can't even lie, it's so freaking cute. Before I moved here, I used to watch a lot of follow me to Canada vlogs. One person that I was stuck on a channel was Darlene. I used to watch Nezeville, Neze Peperempe. I used to watch her channel because the moment I knew that I was going to be moving to Canada, I just felt like, oh my gosh, I don't know anybody there. So the only thing that made sense to me was to watch videos, watch content relating to life in this country. And a lot of people used to talk about brioche bread. They said that it tastes very similar to our Niger type of bread. So when we got here, I bought this bread and I liked it. I don't know, I'm yet to try a lot of things, so maybe if I stay here longer, I might discover a new type of bread, but this is the bread that we've been eating. And we also bought this roll type of brioche as well. My husband liked this, but me, I preferred the sliced version. And we also got biscuits. Their banana here, guys, their banana here looks like, it looks like something in a cartoon show or something. It just looks too good to be real. This one is my Maggie that came with me from Nigeria. This is the kitchen. This is where me and my husband have been eating together. So the videos I have been uploading since I got to Canada, this is where I sit down to just edit, and you can see my computer, my charger, my mouse pad here as well. This is like the cute little sitting room area. We also have TV. We came with our Amazon Fire Stick that we used to use in Nigeria. We brought it here, so we've been able to still keep in touch with all our favorite shows that we used to watch from back home. And we also have this cute plant situation there and here as well. I was talking to someone the other day and I was saying that I am feeling right now like Sophia in London. I don't know if anybody watched that movie. My skincare stuff here, makeup, da, 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 da. Who knows this baby wipes from Nigeria? I came with it as well, and it almost put me in a weird situation during my transit in Amsterdam because it was flagged in my luggage and they were like, oh, you brought aloe vera to Amsterdam. I'm like, oh no, it's my baby wipe. So they checked it and scanned through it and all of that. All right, guys, so that's that. And I know the typical thing, especially because that's what is raining now, everybody does vlogs or relocation series when they are moving to a new country, but I genuinely just did not have that time. If you guys follow me, or a lot of you guys that follow me know that my life in Nigeria was very, very simple. I was all about my work and my family. Honestly, I didn't have time for, I didn't used to classify, or I wouldn't classify myself as the typical YouTuber that just feels the need to share, or this is me and my household, me and my family. I come from a very, very reserved background. I married into a very reserved family as well. And I personally, if I'm being honest with myself, I am a very reserved person, very private. I don't like to overshare. I consistently remind myself not to overshare. Not overshare. I don't think overshare is the word. I consistently remind myself not to share unnecessarily things that I think to myself, first of all, like for me, you sharing this information with people or someone, what is it doing for you, or what is it going to do for the person you're sharing it with? I hope you guys understand what I mean. So I don't classify myself as an oversharer. I try my best to share as much as needed, right? So I said all of that to say that don't expect any relocation series. This is as relocation series as it's going to get on my channel. I don't have any, oh, my last day in Nigeria, my transit. I did not do any of that. I genuinely did not have the time, and I just didn't feel comfortable like putting people on blast, showing people on camera unnecessarily, because like I said, I come from a very reserved background and I married into a reserved family. A lot of my friends, people I roll with, are very reserved people, and I just didn't want to put them in a weird spot. So that's why there isn't any of that. I'm going to do my best to carry you guys along in this new journey that I'm on, and it all depends on the response I get from the few, clips here and there that I'm going to be sharing on the channel. I don't want the direction of my channel to basically sway too much, because my passion is fashion design. You guys know I love fashion. That was what that has been what my channel has been all about, and I don't plan to change it. Of course, the style and everything might change at some point, but it's not going to change too much. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Newsflash is we are leaving Calgary actually in 3 days time. We are moving to Edmonton because things changed about our situation basically, so we just felt like it's a wiser move to just go to Edmonton. So we are moving to Edmonton. By the time you guys are watching this video, I'm most likely well settled in Edmonton, and I live in Edmonton. Calgary was fun. We'll probably find ourselves back here someday. Who knows? We'll never know. That's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys with the way things are going. I really don't know how my content and my channel as a whole is going to be set up, but I really hope that you guys ride with me. Honestly, I do not take credit for anything that I've achieved on YouTube as a whole. Like the level I've gotten to with my content, with my audience, it's all been God. So I've just been telling myself that, for me, you were not the one that brought yourself to this level, so why do you think you're the one that's going to take yourself to the next level, right? So I trust God to just give me wisdom, help me to know what to do, and basically just navigate this new season that I found myself in. God has been so amazing, and I'm so grateful and thankful to Him for all the many blessings that He has brought my way, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. I hope you guys loved this video. This is very different from what you typically find on my channel, but I just wanted to just bring you guys along with me, and also for documentation purpose, right? Just to document this moment so that when I look back at it in the near future, I can just have something for memory's sake. My husband is currently out, but he texted me that he's on his way back, so I need to go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. I don't know if you've hit 50K by now. If you hit 50K, thank you guys so much. God bless you and increase you and grant you all your heart desires. If you're yet to hit 50K, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Share this video with your friend. Share my content with your friend, okay? Like the video. And yeah, friends, I can't wait to see you all in another video very soon. Bye-bye.